started with creating a mini draft of the idea, and then I painted a 4x4 foot canvas frame black and primed the canvas cloth with a white gesso. I used a projector to copy the rose design, and then cut out the background. With industrial glue and nails, I attached the canvas to the frame and let it dry overnight. After putting gesso in all the spots that I missed, I was ready to start the design. I wanted it to look very geometric, so I used a pattern of triangles. The areas that were supposed to be brighter and coming towards you would be a lighter gray or a white, and then the parts receding into the rose would be a black or a dark gray. I use 3 different types of paint. For the black areas, I use a Liquitex Heavy Body Payne's Gray or Mars Black. Because they are heavy body paints, it is a thicker black similar to oil paints. For the gray areas, I use a Basics Black mixed with white. For white, I used a white wall paint found in any hardware store. Even though it's not the best quality for a canvas, I think it creates a dramatic white that I don't think I would be able to achieve with a regular acrylic paint. This was a commission piece for a beauty salon, and it took me about 2 weeks to complete, with 2 days for prepping the canvas and 2 days for applying 7,000 rhinestones. The rest of the time was spent painting the design. I have never painted a canvas in this style, with a cutout background or the rhinestone frame, so I was a little apprehensive in the beginning, but overall I'm very happy with how it came out. This is also my first time putting together a video explaining my painting process, so I hope everybody enjoyed it.